In finance, we don't ever like to have surprises. Sometimes those may come up as expenses, and the team laughs at me sometimes and says, Charlie does not like surprises.
Well, Charlie, thank you so much for joining us today. Really appreciate having you and excited to dive into your story and learn more. Maybe we should start with a little bit of your background. Can you tell me about where you're at and what you do there?
What we do is we work with individuals, families, and institutions to kind of align their investments with what's most important to them. And we do that through financial planning, asset management, and also retirement solutions. My team is accountable to give a clear financial picture of not just where we've been, but where we're going. And so being able to have access to that accurate data and predictability helps the team make the best decisions going forward. Because we run different types of entities, we try to focus on OneAscent as a whole. We used to consolidate through spreadsheets, and that was just too time consuming, and I knew we had to make a change, and started looking at other software accounting products, thinking that we had outgrown QuickBooks. The last thing I wanted to do really was change accounting systems. So the beauty of being able to stay in the QuickBooks space is that the transition was seamless.
So you've made the transition to IES. Can you help me understand, how does a platform like the Intuit Enterprise Suite platform play a role in you being able to scale the business and the team being able to scale the business?
Just having the ability to wanting to see things consolidated or even mix and match. Maybe I want to compare company A and D to companies B and C and look at them in different ways. And Enterprise Suite has allowed me to do that. The other complexity is just as we've grown, being able to upload journal entries, which makes my team's work much better, makes us work more efficient. With the holdings company, you also have allocations. Being now able to, in a single journal entry, apply it to the multiple companies in one entry is a huge time saver as well.
How much time do you think you save, like on a weekly or monthly basis versus where you started?
I would say right now, probably ballpark maybe a 20% reduction.
That's significant. That's a lot of time back.
Yeah.
When you get that time back, what do you do with it? What does it unlock for you or for the business?
We maintain the growth a little bit longer and allows us to spend money in more productive areas.